Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing another wig for you guys today, and I'm going to be doing the laminate wig. And yeah, this wig cap you can purchase from my website. I'm going to leave the link of my website down below so that you can go ahead and purchase this. Just make sure you secure this on your mannequin before you start doing your wig. And the hair I'm going to be using is the expression hair in color 1B and in blonde. I don't know what color the blonde is. So that is what I'm going to be, the hair I'm going to be using. Before I continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please guys push the subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and also push the bell button down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. And today guys, I want to say thank you to all of you guys that has made this possible for me. We're currently at 27,000 subscribers. That is amazing. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Guys, please keep sharing my videos, keep subscribing, and keep coming back for more videos.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'll fire in my heart, yeah. In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'll fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'll fire in my heart, yeah. Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in